Hi, Carmen. Well, officials here at the airport tell me that operations should be up and running by tomorrow morning. And this is not the only area that was affected by all of this flooding.
It's unpredictable. So travel is unpredictable.
Heavy rains and flash flooding caused some serious problems at Tweed New Haven Airport.
I got notification that my flight was canceled, and then notification half hour later that it's back on time. Come here and tell us it's canceled again.
Airport officials telling us the departure terminal was closed due to flooding, forcing flight cancellations for people like David Algarin, who was en route to Orlando.
I was going out to my sister's wedding and stuff like that and having a good time and see what I can do for tomorrow.
Another hard-hit area was Bristol, where flash flood waters caused 6 water rescues from cars and washed away parts of Middle Street, prompting Governor Ned Lamont, among other city leaders, to assess the damage.
These storms are biblical in terms of the torrential rainfall you get, and they're happening more and more frequently. We're looking at resilience all around the state. What are the places that are most vulnerable? What can we do to prevent this from happening again?
Bristol city officials say that all the roads would be open by the end of the day on Sunday. But for some community members, the cleanup continues.
Now we're going to have to replace tile, and we're still. And when I tell you the water was up to here.
Anna Mendez says that this isn't the first time her yard and basement have gotten flooded.
I was in bed and my husband came in screaming, not again, not again. He came out, it was halfway above those bushes, just water was everywhere.
She says city officials fixed the problem temporarily, but a permanent fix can't come soon enough.
I think we're not scheduled until 2025. But how many more times are we going to have to deal with this? We're losing time from work, our possessions. We've had to rip the carpet up. Now we got to redo the tile again. It's getting old.
Now, this is just the tip of the iceberg for people like Anna and people across the state who have to clean up their homes and also get ready for another day of trying to travel at Tweed New Haven Airport. For now in New Haven, Deandra Turner, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.